In Mumbai, investors wait to the tunes from the Bank of Japan with the US Fed decision looming large. In the end, Sensex dropped 200 points from the high point of the day. It was a volatile day to say the least. Nifty managed to hold its head above the water to an extent to end marginally in the green. Ditto for the mid-caps. The index ended with marginal losses after some wild swings seen in intraday trade. And you can see that graph over there, volatility across the board. Anuj Singhal is here to wrap the day's market action as always. Anuj, India has underperformed its peers in Asia ahead of the Fed decision. Take us through the day that was, and can this recover?
Well, the markets ended flat today after a volatile day, so maybe not too many people wanted to take aggressive positions ahead of the Fed event. But truth be told, the Indian market underperformed today. The Sensex slipped 200 points from the high point of the day. So you can take home the message that at higher level there was a bit of buyer strike. That's an important point that you need to keep in mind. The larger trend might be up, but in the near term, got to respect that at high level the buying was missing. BOJ is done, and now of course all eyes will be on Fed tonight. In terms of stocks, the story of the day was Bajaj Auto challenging Eicher Motors, and the market's verdict by the end of the day, Eicher Motors hitting a new lifetime high. Even Bajaj was higher in the trade, though. Other index gainers included Bharti Infra, Hindalco, and HUL. On the losing side, ITC, Power Grid, and ONGC were some prominent losers. Some of the banking names were down, led by ICICI Bank, SBI, and Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda, in fact, was one of the top losers. Outside the index, a lot of stocks surged today. Gokaldas was one of them. That stock was up 18%. BPL, phenomenal move on that stock over the last few days. And Edelweiss, again, a phenomenal move on that stock as well over the last 6 months. Some more gainers included Indocount, Quality, and MTech Auto. So all in all, a flat day with low volumes. Tomorrow is going to be a big day, of course, depending on what the Fed does, and more importantly, what the Fed says in the language.